Welcome back to AI Tech Feed. In the previous videos, we have started building EcoRide website. In this video, let's work on adding user authentication. What if we want to add user accounts? Let's enhance our project with user authentication. We'll head to the command prompt and give the AI a new instruction. Add sign in and sign up functionality using Supabase. The AI understands the request and begins the integration. It installs the Supabase dependencies, creates new files for authentication logic, and updates existing components like the header to add the new UI. Once complete, the preview reloads with a new sign in button. Let's test the flow by creating a new account. The model includes real time validation like checking for password length. After creating the account, we'll try to sign in. It looks like we have encountered an error, a very common issue when integrating a new service. The Bolt editor has already detected the problem. It's missing the required environment variables for the Supabase. It even suggests a fix. So let's click Attempt Fix. Bolt creates an environment file and provides the instructions on where to get the API keys. To get these, we'll navigate to our Supabase dashboard, go to the project settings, and copy the API URL and public key. We just need to paste these values into the environment file back in the editor. With the keys in place, Bolt automatically configures the connection. Let's refresh the preview and try logging in again. This time, the sign in is successful. The navigation bar updates to show a sign out button and a profile icon confirming we are logged in. This is a perfect demonstration of how you can iteratively add complex features to a project. The AI not only builds the functionality but also helps diagnose and fix issues along the way. And with that, we have successfully built an enhanced, fully functional e-bike rental website. I hope this gives you a great idea of what's possible. Thanks for watching. Subscribe AI Tech Feed for more such interesting videos.